What's up, people? Just got back from Home Depot. Picked up this Ryobi garage door opener. They currently have them for $98. This is New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope everybody had a good New Year's Eve. But I'm letting you guys know I thought it was a pretty good deal. I think they were currently, before this sale, $148. I went up there to pick it up for $148. And to my surprise, they had them marked down to $98. So, along with that, when you go to checkout, they got a $12 warranty. That's for 2 years. So you have 2 years of a warranty on top of that, and if you have any problems with it, you can just take it back. They either replace it or they'll give you your money back. So I think that's a pretty awesome deal. This is the 2 horsepower ultra quiet one. If you guys can see that, and then you can run all these Ryobi accessories to it, which makes it kind of cool. So I'm pretty much doing this video just to let you guys know if you're in the market, you're looking for a garage door opener, or you want to replace your old one, or you need a new one. This might be something that you guys want to look at. Other than that, you guys have a good New Year's, and I'll talk to you later.